Go Live is a service that offers you the tools and the team to take you through the virtual and hybrid event planning process from start to finish. So not only does it offer you a full production service, but also the platform to host your virtual event and make sure that your event is going to go off without a hitch.
Some of the advantages that you have working with our Go Live team are that you have somebody with you every step of the way from beginning to end to help navigate the tricky space of virtual and hybrid events.
When you book the Go Live production services as part of your virtual and hybrid event space, you'll be assigned a dedicated producer who will be in charge of all of the video and live streaming content for your event.
So the Go Live team offers a variety of services to help you through the whole planning process of your event. The first one being a detailed show plan that encompasses your event as a whole and has all the details as far as an appropriate timeline, event details, speaker details, anything that we would need to know about your event will live in that show plan.
We'll determine exactly what kind of content can be produced in advance. From there, we'll book recording sessions with those speakers. We'll capture their presentations, their audio. There'll be several rounds of revision with the client, which allows you to ensure that everything in the presentation is perfect.
Live presenters are brought in for live speaker assessments to make sure that they are able to log in, connect. We check things like their camera, their audio. Speakers always feel so much better after doing their live preparations because then they feel prepared going into the day of the event. We also build out custom motion graphics for your event, making sure that they are branded to your branding guidelines. So that would include colors, fonts, and any special imagery that you'd want to be used on the day of.
And all of this seamlessly comes together to create your live production.
Right before the event, we do a dry run that takes the customer through the entire day from start to finish. So they are able to see how the show is going to run, what all the shots look like, what all the content looks like.
So when we're producing virtual events, whether that's completely virtual or in a hybrid scenario, we do have a green room where we can have a full conversation in the green room with whoever might be there waiting to go live. And we can have that conversation without interrupting anybody that may be doing a live presentation. We have everything a normal green room would have except for snacks, which we are not able to deliver virtually.
The feedback we've gotten from our clients has been overwhelmingly positive. We find that customers are absolutely blown away with the level of quality of the video content that we can create for them, but also the engaging content within it.
There's a lot of stress that goes into planning an event, and once it's done, you've gotten great feedback from your attendees. It is certainly a relief, and you're on to planning your next event.
Virtual events can be daunting going into it, and especially if you don't have a lot of experience, but with our team, we're able to help guide you through the process. We want your attendees on the day of to feel like they are included in the event, that they are able to participate the same way that they would at an on-site event.
With the platform, you're able to have this massive database of all of this information that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. Because up until this point, on-site events, once they're over, they're over. You know, you go into a ballroom the day after an on-site event and it's empty. There's nothing to refer back to. Now with virtual and hybrid events, you have this branded content and all of this vital information that you are able to give your attendees over and over again throughout the year or forever.